guys, welcome to DevOps School. In this video tutorial we are going to learn about Datadog.
But before we begin, let me inform you few things about us. DevOps School is one of the leading platforms which offers DevOps, cloud and containers technology training and certification programs for freshers and established professionals who wish to update and consolidate their skills in the dynamic IT scenario. We ensure that the training solutions are delivered by highly experienced domain experts with practical working experience in various verticals. Check out the dates and enroll with us for our upcoming batches. For more info, link and contact details are mentioned in the description below.
Okay, so now the question is dashboard. So where do we find the dashboard? So here it is. You have a list of dashboard which you can create here. New dashboard you can create here. Now when you create a new dashboard, now you will have a three options, three types of dashboard. In fact, you have. If you read this, you'll understand that which dashboard you want it. So that dashboard, if you want it for your browser, then new time board dashboard. If you want the dashboard for the screen means, when I say screen, that means let's say we all of us are working together at one office, one locations. So we can install some 120-inch, 150-inch TV and then showcase the dashboard over there. For that, the screen board dashboard is very useful actually. So right now we'll go for the time board dashboard, which is a browser based dashboard which you can work with it. Before that, I would like to show you the list of dashboard. So now if you see that here, this dashboard I have not created it actually. So you must be wondering from where we got it actually. So this dashboard is nothing but created by Datadog. Okay, so Datadog has given you all this dashboard free of cost. Free of cost. Okay, so here you see. So how come they got this free of cost? So basically, this is all integration, the one which integration you did. So they created this dashboard and they, this is the dashboard which has been created by following the best processes and all stuff like that, best practices. So you have a dashboard. You can use this dashboard also if you want. You can create your own dashboard also. So yeah, we will do something with our own. So right now I'm going to create my own dashboard actually. So there are many ways, many tricks are available in Datadog. Using that, you can create a dashboard. So let's create one dashboard here, DevOps School. And this dashboard, I'm naming it to one. And new time board, create this dashboard. Now here, guys, here I created a dashboard. Now you have to fill the graph. So this way, I'm not starting it. So I'll teach you, I'll show you how to steal the dashboard graph actually. So here lots of graph you can add it. And how do we steal this graph? So here I can add it, the widgets and graph and all, but not this way. I want to show you all possible ways. So let's go for Datadog. And now let's steal some graph from the existing dashboard. Okay. So all jugaad I am trying to show you here. So let's say this is the APM over this is the APM graph, and so many things you have from last 1 week. Okay, so this is the APM. The APM data server is not running today, but it was running till last week, till last day. So this is the graph. Now, guys, here you see that this button, all of you. Hello.
Yes, Rajesh.
Now let's say you like this graph
Export.
and something. And I'm just going randomly. Let's say you like this one. So can we steal it? So go here, click on it here, and click on copy. Simple. And now you go to your own dashboard, which is a DevOps, which is DevOps School. Click on DevOps School 1 and paste it. Control B. I got it. This graph I stolen it from the existing dashboard, the one which is given by Datadog. So that's one of the method I taught you how to feed the graph. Now let me show you another method. So guys, here you have infrastructure list. Okay. And here you see so many, we have two machines running. So now let's say you like some dashboard from here. Okay, so what dashboard matrices are here? So let's say you like this utilizations map and all, something like this. Okay, so cancel this, click on it, go for open in a dashboard. Now let's say you like this one, you want this one. So what to do? So again,
Copy.
copy it, and I'm just trying to teach you all this teaching. I mean, all this cheating or something like that. So you can use that. Paste it. Done. So here infrastructure also you can get it. Containers also you can get it. So so many ways to create a graph to your dashboard. So many ways you have it. It's up to you. How do you do that? Okay, so there's no container running. I have to reduce and all stuff like that. So okay, this is the one. Now let's say you want to go for matrix explorer. So I'm exploring the matrix. Look at this. And this is the matrix. Let's say I spent some time, 1 hour, 2 hours or something, and this is the graph I wanted. So click on the export. Where? Dashboard. Which dashboard? DevOps School 1 dashboard. I did that. So this is also one of the way you can from Explorer you can get it. Let's go for the APM services. So 1 hour no, 1 week I have to do. And here this is a service, and these are the dashboard which you have. So many dashboard. Let's say AppDex Core dashboard here. You want this one or you want this one. Depends on you. So here you click on this, export to DevOps School. Here I want this one, export to DevOps School. You want something like this one, or errors you want only and one error by the way, and export to dashboard. So here, so easy way you can create a dashboard. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Now if I go to the logs searches for this, okay, and here 15 minutes to 2 days, and you want this dashboard. Let's say you have a searches for error. So how many errors you are having? In fact, none you have. Let me see E capital. And how many? None. So let's keep it like this right now. And these are the searches, let's say. And export to dashboard. So you created a search queries, all this thing, advanced and all, and all this thing you want to get it. Here this one also, export to dashboard. Okay, all of you. Now, so this is the logs also. Now I'll go for rum, synthetic test. Today only we set it up. We have a few failures. That's okay. Now, which one you want? You want this one? Different regions. What is the response time? And export to dashboard. Rajesh one. Done. And then export to dashboard. So depends on what you need. There's so many ways in Datadog which you have. So you can create a dashboard. So and this I taught you Jugad basically. So different metrics you want from the observability, and now you see the dashboard. So are you understanding all of you what I'm trying to say? Okay. Now I'll
Yes,
teach.
Rajesh.
Now I'll teach you how can you create your own dashboard. So here click on the widgets, right side. You'll get a lots of options. You have to be masters in it. What is the time series, query value, top list, table, and all these things. A lot of things. Here you have a text, free text, image. Here you can summaries and all, you can publish it here. Summary is just like a drag and drop, that's all, nothing else. And here you have a list of streams, you can do that. Alerting also, you can check status, alert graph, alert value, you can do that. But here some of the things. So time series, what time series? This is something like explorer. Okay, So here the time series, the metrics, logs, APM, RAM, profile, event, processes, all these things based on that you can populate here. And then if you think your this is your information, here you have a time series, query value, here top list, table format, heat map. So you decide what you want and then save it. And now here you have this information. One more widgets, keep adding it. Like say query value. Now this time instead of matrix, I'll go for the query value for the RAM. And here, this many total requests I have got it on my website. Okay, and stuff like that. So here you can improve this all this thing, mathematical formulas and all. You can improve it. You can get it what you want, display everything. You have to, do that and then save it. Now somewhere downside here it is. Events count. These many events has happened from last 1 week. Okay. By the way, this website I've been tracking from long time. That's the reason you have too many events. Okay. So now what else? You have a top list. Top list means I want to know the resources of APM. So go for resources, and here you can query, add, count, whatever that you want to do. Add query. Here you can remove the queries, all this thing you can do that. Add formulas, which resources you want. So resource name you have it, some resources I don't remember that resource name, by the way. Let's go for the source. Actually source I remember, which was Linux, I guess, if I correct. Source Linux. Should be okay, and then searching for it, there's no value source Linux. So anything environment prod for more you will be having. Yeah, yeah, here you have. So APM environment prod, how many total requests? You have three, group by and all stuff like that, and save it. So this is the way you can create a dashboard. It's very easy. The only thing is like you should know what exactly you're creating. Suddenly, if you jump on then then it's very difficult to queries. I mean, you should know what dashboard you want. So first, before jumping to the dashboard, do some homework. What dashboard you want? What number you want? In what format you want? Uh, which kind of graph you want? Times reach, table, a tree map, pie chart, funnel. So all these thing R&D you have to do that, and then you have to create things. They have given you lots of dashboard which you can also use as a reference. So best dashboard for Docker, best dashboard for JVM, best dashboard for Nginx, best dashboard. If you're lost, then these are the reference queries and all. You can see that. Okay, so 1 hour instead of, let's make it 4 hours. See that these are the best dashboard. Now you want to see the logic, so that's very also easy. You can create in view, and this is the logic actually. Okay, this is the query. Event count over, this is the two facet actually. Remember that while querying this you were doing that facet and all. Okay, so you can read the queries also and gradually learn. This is the one of the things we want to read the queries. For this the query is, I just want to see that query. uh, okay, I can copy and also paste it. So this query I think is inbuilt. That's the reason I cannot use that. So you can copy this data and you can change this, edit and all. You can, if you copy this, let me copy this whole things. Okay, here, and then after that, once you copy, then you can edit also. So let's go for DevOps school, and here Control B, and now you can edit. You see here, so you can steal their queries like this is the queries. See here, rum session, all this thing, top by 250 and all stuff that. So this is you can learn from the existing one slowly and then create your own uh, logic. Are you understanding, all of you?
Rajesh.
Yeah. So I would suggest create your own dashboard. First time you cheat, you copy from the different places and then do that. After that, you develop your own some of the graph with your own logic. Examples you can copy simply and learn from them, and this is the way you can create a dashboard. Okay, so go ahead. I'll give you 20 to 30 minutes to play around it. If you have any questions, you can ask me, and after that we'll get into the some sort of test.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.
Hello everyone, if you would like to access the remaining videos of this playlist of 50 plus more tools which are coming under DevOps, DevSecOps, SRE, DataOps, GitOps, etc. Kindly become our channel members by clicking on the joining button. You would have access to 100s of playlists and 1000s of videos lifetime access with this membership. Enjoy.